Aduanainan ye mamu nyina achen ye mo akwa Badwam TV Badwam so kasia ne na ne braso sawuti bia no pay ko Facebook/Adom TV ye kasia ni twagu say Go TV na wa channel 176 na DSTV so channel no 280 midi ade afia amankwa tamaklo samne ne todwa omu bi ya wo betie nie Free SHS Secretariat say o how no abatan de bedan wo mo no emu ohamu nchemu aduokunu numu de o mahwe siesie ye de sansam ni nchiremu ebeba Ghana Police Service promotional examination no University of Cape Coast for ye no say apobi amabonten en liki sade ye betodwa wo Badwam eso sansam no ne nsem bi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kasia fie ne de kwan suti nsam no enchiremu ankasa Free SHS Secretariat say o how ya abatan de bedan wo mo ya wo mo kekambo mo abese 10,000 de emu o hamu nchemu aduokunu num o mahwe siesie amasumdua ba Adom TV kase etwaso
Besa na watchimi yenu nie ena adisuafo wo mo atwere BEC social wo pento asosuku akọ wo musuku no ebaye eba ne sa eya na Ghana Education Service ebie National Resolution Center sebe ya awofo ne adisuafo ebetimi akọ ho na de wo hawo no aso no e de ama wo mo Adom kase ama ne bonu kodwomensa brompa ekopie mu ho nom no adisuafo ne awofo bi edaso a ewo ho nom a wo twen se wo hawo no empanifo beso ano e de ama wo mo One penipa be de echa woda Free SHS Secretariat nano na Africa mensa etwetwen common wodi to dwa se complaint be se empim du 10,000 ena wo mu enya ye a waye mu ahamu chichemu aduokono na so ye ne bomodin se osuku ni bia betimi enya school no ahye adesua ase.
Oh, so far almost 10,000 plus, but I think we've resolved 95% of the issues now. About need to know who's the numbers now. That's why they answer no. Bomb say by this week and latest by next week no. Near fix will be our system no, so I'm managed to me. I could school. I could see how they say. Like change of schools now, no mobile for changes. But baby, I was space now. Near I am, baby, I any space no. They don't have any option than some be more no. I call those schools now. Yeah, they amount. What the ba say any pan who ejuma, who to me empa money pan so oba. The kwanye faso a say to me no the be among
University of Cape Coast once one adwen atwen de abesi Adom TV Badwam dwumadie bia 22nd February no ye de tu dwachiremu say police promotion examination no Department of Forensic Sciences ewo university edeba abonten no apo eba abonten just answer on betren so hwe no kura no na ehun krata na ba beto edwa nanso university no mpanifo e de niema ahodo bi atoto ho edi ho adanse ese bibisa ensia Adom TV kase etwaso
Cape Coast yapon eden krata beto montene so a wo kire mu se kuada ogefo bosomeda neto so aduonumienu afimpinu ene aduonumiensan mu Adom TV Badwam dwumadie so no wonum editu dwa se police promotional examination Department of Forensic Sciences a ewo suapon ni mu honom ehyehye ma a police fo no questions ni na beto montene so ansana wonum etro ensohwe no na suapon no enam krata iso editu dwa se sansem no nyina no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu ni edi nkan no Wanum enam nkrata iso edi tudwa se ogefo bosomeda neto so dumiensa afimpinu ene aduonumiensan mu Ghana Police Promotional Examinations a wonum etroye no enya de se questions no ebeto montene so ema wonum a wotron so hwe no enyaye ne eto so mienu san so hwe a wonum etroye no invigilators a wonum akwadere yie ewo wonum adwuma mu ene wo hwe Womo so ema wochoro ye ne senti sede wonum eboto bo se senior officers bi a wonum ewo police service mu ene be hwe a police fo no so ma wochoro nso hwe no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu a ehu behia se manfo nyina ebehu ne se eyetoro nko a afei ne etoso miensan so ene se sede nipa no wodi chiame ewo dwumadie ne so ede tu dwa se wonum a wokochoro nso hwe ne bie no ede abetu dwa wonum prese wonum nso hwe no wansan enko maaki bie mu no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu esane se ensohwe no kura no results a ewo mu no enya de se wode aba betudwa wonam saa krata iso de to kabia wumfo ne omanfo nyina animu se Cape Coast yapon no eye excellent academic institution a enya de se wonum be bibi ade age adimbone ama wonom ho ne senti wonam nsem a wode atudwa won krata yi mu eso ede to omanfo nyina animu se sansem a betu odwa ewo Badwam so no enya de se nokure bia ewo mu enkrata yi Director of Public Affairs ewo Cape Coast University Major Kofi Bentum retired ena nensa ehyasie
Dwamtene de ma Electoral Commission Mamijen Mensa enra okoko PM Brashebe film na asem ne yetia won madwen won susuye ne se Ghana card ne yenhwe mfanto abantina wo so oba ho na obekirikire mu die ntia osusu se ye de no yemfa no mum enento aba no de course wo Brashebe film eni.
As a country, we should not continue along this route. Truth be told, Mr. Speaker, the guarantor system was not the best under any circumstances, but we did not have other options since a significant number of persons eligible to register did not possess the Ghana card at the time of registration in 2020. Even then, we had some 10 million Ghanaians using the Ghana card to back their citizenship in 2020. Today, we are reliably informed that some 16 million Ghanaians in possession of the Ghana card, and with NIS today we are reliably informed that 16 million Ghanaians are in possession of the Ghana card, and with NIS assurance that it will print and distribute the remaining cards to registrants in a matter of weeks, we do not believe that we will be disenfranchising persons by enforcing the policy requirement of using the Ghana card to prove one's eligibility. The use of the Ghana card as the sole means of identification, Mr. Speaker, will prevent foreigners and minors from getting onto our voters' register. More especially, it will prevent unqualified persons from influencing our elections and having a say as to who should govern our country. This is an issue that borders on the sovereignty of our nation. Simply put, only eligible Ghanaians must be entitled to vote.
Lands and Natural Resources Minister Samuel Abu Jinapor said 2022 no more Green Ghana initiative no make us say ohomunche mo be said you watch 80% die enya so mfa so a se nnuana nyini kama fefefe sentwefo nhiem di ase no dinsemi etudwa
asoye hwensa senimu adododie so e de atudwa se afrase Green Ghana Day eduama opepe eduonu 24 million na wodua ye no emu ohomunchichemu eduwotwe ena sesei etimi enyini efifiri oswafa woda asoye no eyesamo abuginapo na odisansem etudwa abra odena no disem ekoto dwa ewo asoya ehwe amaneboso ewo omayi emu ofasa akwanya no so etonsa efre omanfo se afi nso aban epadwumadi no ho ntoma bibia mfa ne ho enhyeme sanse afi enuaba opepe edu eno obeto apete omayi emu.
Million seedlings, as I said, were distributed. As of September 2022, 24 million was verified as planted. As at the end of the year, the monitoring team and monitoring evaluation team at the ministry has certified that 80% survival rate. 80% survival rate. 2023, this year, the need to continue monitoring and nurturing of the seedlings is very important, which is why we've become less ambitious in terms of the number of seedlings we are going to plant. But let me conclude by emphasizing one point. What the government, and for that matter the ministry, is set for itself to plant in 2023 is 10 million seedlings. And I will really, truly encourage that all of us, all and sundry, take it upon ourselves on the Green Ghana Day to participate fully, both in procuring the seedlings, making sure you physically plant them, nurturing them, and seeing to their maturity.
Adom TV kasiena ugiso eshano na ohine awo imbre kukrum wajina na dehia na nkroto ahodo be nan ya na emu do won ade seto aban nanim se wo mo kwan ne de ya mie ne mu ni enye tinkabe ya aban no ene ahweye won hwe route so no wo mo mra ho no mo afo ni mehwe na afi hu ana muntu wo meye ma won fi se wo mo ho kire wo mo pa esan kwan na enye ntia na ene adom kase edi nkomoyi.
na nambreku ababio ohina wo mbreku krom ene Adom kase atwetwe nkomo ene odi tu dwase ebra contractor no eye ekwan no wanyi bi anto baabi a omanfo betimi afaso senti wo mo ankasa ena ekeka won sase de kwasafodwuma ebo kwan eto baabi a no wo faso na nso ensuo yi ehase ese eto no asese ekwan no so a sese obi nko emma ewukuru no emu ne senti amakoko board enobaya o share boss wo de bebre kuafo ni nyina no wontimi emfamma o sra ban sa da Roma o ma contractor wo share kwan no ase emewie emfamma o manfo
ye kwa no se de me fa so a na se mo fa so mbu se wo ma ba ya gije na de bia tuatua so ya ake se ya hodi ntimi wo mo ye no mo anabe o mo antwa kwa bia anto nchen ye nya na ye kopa enua e de eso abo ne ne magu so a ka fa so enne ne kire nsuo beto ye nim se nsuo no so na ne eden obetu bridge na firi so na ya ka akiri de yesremo a se ya asem beduru aben mo asem beduru aben ni mama de ya mo ma asem no nuru aben anim na mrekukrum ene nkura nketu atwa ho ahia no ye bre pa
enwachi ena mame magredonko ya wo no eboa omanfo eje wo mo awo enso ekire wo hawo a awo ka obi a enipa no famu ansa na watimi de na kodura ya resabia ochemu se ha adwene pa ye toda kora wo hu ne se won ka Ghana ho
mi frigi awo okure mu no mi fan se be 81 ena 1981 ena mi strategy awo ache yie enam suma na ya na mi bompa ye se nyame ma boni bi nsi na se eba se obi kwa awo so na edin a samre mu yeso nipa gisi yeso ani moto ni ho a ye be so an kakra edi no akwa agora kwa so ansa na Africa ama wa abefa.
Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation, the Environmental Protection Agency, account one boom up climate change and green economy week in one entoma. But I any in say one day Ghana for fantity who do more a war we moon sacra ya who do any hunsun so Adom TV kwasi etwaso.
Ehun ahia ho abode mo nhwehwemu ne na ne moso me Ministry of Environment, Science, Technology and Innovation any Environmental Protection Agency no aka bomu a wo mo apa climate change and green economy week ehontoma ye adwumadie no ehwase obenim bosome de toso aduonu nso edikosi aduasa baako asa adwumadie asenti eda so climate change a threat to our livelihood ya wode ebodawuro afa ewiemu sakraye eho mo manfo nso ate ase oso afọ da sa so ya no Dr. Kwekwe Free ekasa ene wodi tu dwase ewiemu sakraye de ewoso obibia ede ne ho agimu na afei de gubo no kwa kire emomanfo ete ase se beyi a ensuo ta wo bete ase ewiabo nso wo bete ase na ama wo hu eniema etwa wo hu ehia enchiremo de tu dwa enie.
Remember, for climate issues, we must engender a mass movement to enhance climate change education across diverse levels and sectors and raise awareness on climate change. The first-hand experiences and stories narrated by the youth groups and our partners will be inspired to take up their commitment to advance joint climate actions and to develop practical solutions to climate change impacts in Ghana. I now consider the Climate Change and Green Economy Week duly launched.
A crofum mensimu asantamantemu na 4-bedroom flat bi a water chikrom die e ward nkwa onofe ni nyina hye wom keka bomu anaje sesika mpem enanam ejane hye so e de abrɛ wom akosam de kofa ejane ba ya Adom TV etwaso
ene wukuo agefo bosome de toso aduonu wɔtwe afimpinu ene aduonu miensam ebra na anopa nonkono aboapa ho sima aduasa ena saa ejayi ehyase obia emprade nanso danmu ne nyina edwiri gu fom a ahyedwiri be abra DO3 Frederick Jima ya woye Municipal Fire Commander ewo Apadentra East mensini ni mu ene Adom Kasiyama ne boni Mohammed Radiudin Rasco etwetwe nkomo no ene wode to nanimu se de nam so pote ma ejane hyase de enya de se ababetu dwane nso wonum de wosusu se electrical fault bi enenam so a ema ejano eto ofie honomo
ena mbebo fi ye se wires na wo ha no nyina ai dada wires nyina ai old wire ena wires so anglange ho nyina sense ho me sure say either say obi eja bi si dem a wire de wenum no koma sa atunche mobile papa yo me da say the bit makache mo an say sabi dan de nyina fire service for radio so fire safety education, I said fire safety campaign. Yeah, it actually no more than 560. obiti be also me dem fear am class a gentleman shida ba e jam won kaye e ja e bit ma back anytime entin chechire na e de mamu etiefo no ye bon pa say ana say yesu say kadan na omunye den omuntie yen
Yamani boni to aso ani wonu ma ho kan e wo se agya hihye yi mu etwetwe nkoma wo de adesrede ato mpanimfo anim se wo meboa wo no
empabo di obi ase ne me nan me mere ne me nyina ase and they say any ye bia kwa amanfo sika o me da mam se me mfanto no mba be eno mba scam ni nyina ase
Yamani nyina ase ye sika da dem wo kula 25 men nyina ase ye ne ma me kofa me che mu di bi ko bi wo dem bi bi me ba e pi kula me ye be se me ni me mai kula na
Padifo ya was Tifi South District Wamo apomudi atena ye wa half mantam ni mo 2022 nyame anim ni district ne bo homodin pa se mai kwa wo yeso a obi ma na abofra ma no womo an record bi na ni nyina ni gina hyehye pa womo de to na kwan so a abatan mu so di so nti na matena death no womo an record bi 2022 mu a ehun hie mu di Adom TV piase etoso
Ebra fimpinu ni aduonum yenu performance review meeting ekoso ewa hafu hwidie mu ena maame Felicia Kupo ya wono ena ye expanded program on immunization penimpa echire mu se afimpinu ni aduonum yenu die obatan bi ani wono mu okwa wo so a wo hwere ne nkwa isanse mansina pomudin penimfo ebo wontirmu posa pomdi adwumayfo no wono won bekasa na wate wani ahwe apenfo pa sebeyi a obetimi awo afa won ho afa won ba
Obabia ni wa okwa awo so a owuye ewo 2022 afenimo ni nyina gina a doctor for modern ba omo boy wa yaresabia ahodo no da bia ye ni doctor mponu a nurse for no mu se bi opimfo we a obewi ni yare ni na woni mo edin ana challenge kakra aba ho a entempa na omo refer e de kokesie said the bear doctor for na won be so ni mu aboa no because ye hu say ye nkura nkitinkiti no mu ni theater o mu ni doctor for ye midwife for ni nurse say na wo ho no enti say oba be hia operation a ji say mtempa na no ye refer no e ma ne kokesiem e ma omukọ ekohwe no said the fata yetimi hu say enkura so a ombe ye malnourished e wo afia atwa mu 2022 no nso so no eno so ba fom nyina ne say officers na omodeda sa programs ya no nurses na disease control officers nutrition officers ni nyina to mu si wono ekoko konkro kitinkiti so ko yi ewu na ewu yi nkura na edi afutuo papa e maamefo no
Mensin crash penny wa wutu senya west mfimfin mantemu Joseph Edu sa bino agenda 111 no a womo ye no enye bosiremo ka bi enye ntro bi no wodie se de ne yeda NDC ano na woka no
Ghana ban edi agenda 111 enhyehyeye ebaye a okire semensini bia na obesia yaresabia wom sebeye a yaresabia ebedoso ewo omanyi emu adani bi wo honomu a wogusua esi ebinsu wo honomu a wode nchensen eboso ya enche obewie Adom kase ama ne bone Kofi Agye ene mensiri krache wo awutu Joseph Edu etwetwe nkomo ene wode eto omanfo anim se wonfa wonwode enta ban achi esanse agenda 111 a aban edi baye no eba beboa amapomode hu nsem agina brane Odi sanse mu etu jewa bra okonsra kohwe adwumadi awodo a ekoso
na me concern ni say aso say ekechi ana no na na be problem no na wa ma assurance say omugusu a timelines na omode ma contractor bia na ogusu a oye adwuma nhyehyɛ mu no obetumi ewie before the contract expiration
Enwachi and a resident consultant you were to Senior West Mark Afari echere mu say adwuma no waye ohamu chichemu aduanan a wo hwe kwan se hwiebe osanabo sumi no mu afempinu ne aduonum yensam die no watimi awie
the cost kama with respect to percentage wise no ebe can say we are at 40%. Yeah, complete. Yeah. Currently we are at the superstructure stage. And we are looking at probably completing this project around August.
Mayenko to Badwam Waterchima North and so agenda 111 no contractors 9 nyina nsugu so ya won ye wadwuma dikadika won suso se enche na won mawie na afia pomuden hu nsam so agina ne nan so
me project ame ye no ye female ward pediatric ward, surgical ward, maternity ward, May ward, and mortuary, and also the ward down on. But I say, yes, slow down, Kakrawa hay. Near challenges as someone who may be the echo court, Momodi Junction, Eto project in the society, yet to the cash will go. Into my who do on bear 5-6 months. Nempany for new AD in Sawaso. Until later, and Umusign, and my approval say, you beat me about 12 months.
District Chief Executive for Techima North, Everson Adodonko, and soon some of the 2 Jano, Ebini.
Oh, Samoa. Agenda 1 dear Techima North for a lucky, or Mampanina Nado, or maybe. Now, Baby Adman Nakra Koho, Adumia Koso. You started and now as a summer month soon binti, made delay Kakra. As I say, the BBR called Jua. Nanama Dauromane, my regional minister. I can't say no, and me and Casaso many assembly for. I must say, Admano Koso.
Dr. Opokujan, your doctor near Benny Emun Samoa, Wabini Moye Power, Yenejuma, Sikado Government Hospital, Neo the Adestre, Togano Fonine, Brown, young choir, Sabian, young choir, Yenino, Nahuade, said it.
Yesterday, you be a check wapu, which is a once a year puna sebopa, at least based on findings in us, based on findings in us, Dr. Nsubutumu recommended ABA on A, B, and C in T. Regular screening, ABA once every month, twice a year, and also once in 4 years. Healthcare easily accessible by the majority of people. Say if organization be them was the health screening it was about or good, even though the basics and the vitals in the whole use now was A, B, and C on
Club President Edema Club no Angelina Yale and some of the 2 Jenny.
Rotary Club of Takrade Anaji as part of your activities for the year. This is also one of them. They have a community they have a health screening. So we are tackling eye and general health now. Free NHIS for them. Yeah, sugar, now hypertension, now yeah, sure. Your main aim is there. Your areas of focus. This falls under disease and disease treatment and prevention. In the other area, they choose question team because in the question team and more former. It was on go, you question me fee, into more from no papa, into health insurance, and the eye free, a damn winner. I will be at least we had a nurse or follow up you hospital, natural dog, so I free or damn.